travel. Good location and clean room, but there is a problem in bathroom, that is water pump is hot and cannot touch with wet hand. If we touch with wet hand it case electrocute. We didn't tell to receptionist Quace we only stay 2 nights. Whatever, it's good elevation and clean room, smiley face, exceptional, very good hotel. Highly recommend this place. Staff are brilliant. Reasonable and convenient. This hotel is located in a convenient area and close to the nightlife area. The staff are nice and the rooms are clean and big enough to stay alone or 2. Great hotel, a real nice hotel to stay in. Great hotel, I really enjoyed my stay here. Exceptional location is superb. Vibe is extraordinary. Staff friendliness is super amazing. Great location, good staff, nice rooms. Clean and great bed and shower. Close to second road but quite. Great place, nice and quite close to shops and food, shopping center across the street and bot bus close. Exceptional, awesome. What a great little hotel, Japanese themed hotel with great service. Spotless room and prompt housekeeping. I will return if this hotel is ever available. Exceptional, the room is clean and the staffs are friendly and helpful. Great small hotel, nice beds and shower, great. Staff friendly, a-okay hand. Awesome hotel, great quiet hotel, great bed and shower. Access team, any food and drink. Excellent. Nicely refreshed hotel, comfy and clean. Great location, close to everything, but also located on a quiet side street. All staff members were great too. Best budget hotel in Pattaya. Perfect location. Very quiet. The staff were amazing and the rooms were very nice with comfortable beds. I would definitely stay here again. We have stayed here many times. Before and after the COVID shutdown. It is even better since the refurbishment. We are always very happy here.